Guys, it's quarantine time and almost everyone is learning a new language. I am learning Spanish and it's been a headache. But Duolingo has been kind of helpful. But the Duolingo Plus subscription is a massive $120 a year. That's about 10,000 Indian rupees. But I just know the trick to get that for free. The Duolingo Plus subscription has many perks. The Plus subscription also allows you to access all the lessons and download them for offline use. I got this all for free, and guys, it's really helpful. You can also create your own avatars and all. I've been learning Spanish for a few weeks and yo hablo español. In addition to this subscription, you will also need to refer to some YouTube videos and some articles that will really help. Try getting in a conversation with a native speaker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get that Plus subscription for free. Just watch this video till the end and subscribe if you like this video. So let's get started with the tutorial. Open your browser, search for Duolingo Plus Mod APK. Click on the link which directs you to rexdl.com, the first link for me. Scroll down and search for the download button. Right now, I think all of you are sitting on a couch inside your home. Your air conditioner is turned on and you're searching through the internet to find something useful or productive. If you want to learn some how-to, technical things or stuff like that, just make sure to drop it down in the comment section below and I will try to provide it to you. Now as you can see, our mod is being downloaded, so let's wait and watch. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because even after downloading the file, you need to learn how to install it. This step is very important. Unknown sources allow. Now let's go to our downloads folder and search for the file and then install it. Agree? The APK file is downloaded. Now let's open it up. Install. Almost there, just a little bit more, and you can unlock the door to speaking various languages. This might take a few seconds, but have patience. Now just answer some basic questions and then you'll be ready to roll. Now registration is not compulsory. If you want to, you can right now, otherwise you can just avoid it and start learning. That is it, guys. You can see the plus logo right there. You have unlocked all the lessons and you can download them. You are a Duolingo Plus member. We got a 10,000 rupees or a $120 thing for free. For free! This hack only works on Android devices, as iOS devices do not support APK files. There are hundreds of lessons that you can access anytime. I'll just show you some of the lessons. many more courses available on Duolingo. You can run multiple courses at the same time. Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, French, Norwegian, Turkish, Polish, Greek, Hebrew, Danish, Czech, Esperanto, Ukrainian, many. Guys, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Use this quarantine time to the fullest. Make productive use of it. Learn new languages, study a little bit, and of course binge watch, which I also do, but avoid that. I have a bad habit.